Welcome, Brainers! Did you recently move Windows to a new hard drive or SSD? Is your old Windows disk or partitions are just sitting there unused? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to safely wipe that previous system drive and turn it into a clean, usable data drive in just a few easy steps. Alright, let's dive right in. Please right-click on the Start button and select Disk Management. As you can see here, I've already moved Windows to a new SSD, which is showing as Disk 1. Since I cloned my entire drive, all the partitions on Disk 0 are now redundant. However, Windows won't let you delete or format many of these partitions using the default disk management tool because they're write-protected or marked as system partitions. But no worries. We'll be using a completely free and reliable tool called AOMEI Partition Assistant, which will make our task super easy. Please grab the URL from the video description below and open it in your browser. When the page loads, do not click any of the download options at the top. This is very important. Instead, scroll down and look for the standard or freeware download link. Once the download is complete, double-click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This is another important screen. Just skip this step to continue using it as freeware. After installing, launch the application to proceed. From here, carefully select the hard drive you want to clean. You can delete partitions one by one if you want, but I don't need any of them, so I'm just going to select the entire disk and choose Delete All Partitions. Wipe Hard Drive also works, but it takes a bit longer since it writes random data across the disk. For me, Delete All Partitions is totally fine. Confirm your choice and click OK. Now the disk becomes unallocated. From here, you can partition it however you like. I'm going to create 2 partitions. Please right-click on the unallocated space and choose Create Partition. You can adjust the size using this slider or enter the exact size in the box right over here. Click OK. Let's do the same for the second partition. Once everything looks good, click Apply to commit the changes. It says Restart required, but that's usually not needed since this is not your system drive anymore. Please click Proceed. This does not matter much for our case, so just select the second option and click OK. Click Proceed again. And finally, one last confirmation, so just select Yes. In just a few seconds, all the operations are done. You can now close everything and even uninstall the app if you don't need it anymore. The new partitions are now showing up in File Explorer and ready to use. Let's double-check this in Disk Management. And yep, everything looks perfect. I hope you found this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.